Precision matters when working behind walls, where hidden studs, wires, and pipes determine safe and accurate drilling every time. Best digital stud finders help you locate framing quickly, reduce guesswork, and prevent costly mistakes while improving efficiency and confidence overall. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Franklin M210 Digital Stud Finder. The Franklin M210 Digital Stud Finder stands out as a precision-focused tool designed for users who prioritize accuracy and reliability in every scan. Equipped with 13 patented sensors, this model delivers exceptional detection performance, significantly reducing false readings compared to standard stud finders. One of its most practical advantages is the wide LED display, which shows both the center and edges of studs simultaneously, eliminating the need for repeated passes and guesswork. The integrated live wire meter adds an essential safety layer, helping users avoid dangerous electrical lines during drilling or mounting tasks. Its deep scan capability, always active without requiring manual switching, automatically adjusts to different wall materials and depths up to 1.7 inches, making it highly versatile across drywall, plaster, and other surfaces. The device is straightforward to operate, with minimal calibration needed, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY users. Number 2. LifeBasis Thermal Digital Stud Finder. The LifeBasis Thermal Digital Stud Finder is a multifunctional powerhouse that goes far beyond traditional stud detection. Built with a smart chip and 4 high-precision sensors, it delivers reliable identification of stud edges, centers, metal objects, and live AC wires. What sets this model apart is its integrated thermal imaging module, featuring a 32 by 32 resolution that enables users to detect temperature variations ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to +1,000 degrees Celsius. This capability is particularly useful for identifying insulation gaps, moisture intrusion, or overheating electrical components. In addition to stud detection, the device supports multiple scan modes including wood metal, AC wire, and moisture scanning, as well as distance and area measurement up to 40 meters. The 2.4-inch color LCD screen enhances usability, offering clear visual feedback alongside voice alerts and alarm indicators, while proper calibration and steady movement are required for optimal accuracy. Number 3. Klein ESF150LL Digital Stud Finder. The Klein ESF150LL Digital Stud Finder combines precision detection with added layout functionality, making it a practical choice for both installation and alignment tasks. It accurately detects wood and metal studs up to 1.5 inches deep, supported by an auto-deep scan feature that simplifies operation by eliminating manual adjustments. One of its standout features is the integrated crossline laser system, which projects both horizontal and vertical lines to assist with precise marking and alignment. This is particularly useful for hanging shelves, frames, or mounting fixtures where accuracy is critical. The device also includes bright LED indicators and audible alerts that clearly signal stud presence and width, improving confidence during use. Its ergonomic design, complete with felt pads to protect wall surfaces and a hold mode for continuous scanning, ensures comfortable handling during extended tasks. Additionally, the built-in bubble level offers quick alignment checks. Number 4. Zircon MultiScanner Digital Stud Finder. The Zircon MultiScanner Digital Stud Finder is designed as a versatile, all-in-one detection tool suitable for a wide range of home improvement and professional applications. It effectively locates wood and metal studs, rebar, and live AC wires behind various surfaces including drywall and plaster. A key feature is Zircon's auto-correcting technology, which automatically adjusts for scanning inconsistencies, helping to reduce user error and improve overall accuracy. The inclusion of a spotlight pointer provides a clear visual indication of stud centers, while the LCD display communicates signal strength, detection mode, and wire alerts in real time. With 4 dedicated scanning modes, stud scan, deep scan, metal scan, and AC scan, the device adapts well to different materials and project requirements. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners, while its consistent performance meets the expectations of more experienced users. Number 5. Aicevoos with Digital Stud Finder. The Aicevoos with Digital Stud Finder delivers a feature-rich experience aimed at users who need both detection accuracy and extended measurement capabilities. Powered by an intelligent microsensor chip, it quickly and accurately identifies the edges and centers of studs, metal, objects, pipes, and live AC wires behind walls, floors, and ceilings. Its bright backlit LCD display ensures high visibility, clearly presenting detection results along with battery status, while audio alerts guide users to the exact stud location. This combination of visual and audible feedback makes the tool accessible even for beginners. What differentiates this model is its integrated laser measuring functionality, offering precision up to plus or minus 1/16 inch across distances as far as 120 meters. It supports multiple measurement modes, including area, volume, and continuous measurement, making it useful beyond basic stud finding tasks. This added versatility makes it suitable for renovation planning and general construction work. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made, based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So you can confidently choose the best product.